Good afternoon, one and all students. Yeah, welcome da. So we are going to do here the world record, the workshop. Okay. So all of you take your positions in samam. Close your legs. Now we are going to do first the namaskaram. Okay. Now ready all of you? Bellam kutakata dingina tom ta ka dimmi ada ka junnu ta ka dimmi ta ka junnu ta ka dimmi ra ka junnu ta ka dimmi ta. Fine. Now come to the position, all of you. Keep your hands on your hip. Now we are going to see the workshop about the charis. You know what you mean by charis? In Bharatanatyam, you know about the adavus, the expressions and the hastas. This, the chari, is a movement. If you want to do a markam, right? So you will do all the steps, then sahityam in expressions way, and your hastas while doing the adavus. So if you add the charis in between the markam, the song, you are doing no items. So in between, if you add means, it looks very beautiful to see. And the chari is a simultaneous movement of feet, shank, thigh and hip. Okay? And two charis combined together makes a karnas. Karnas means doing. Oh, you know about the 108 karnas that has revived by Dr. Bhatma Subramanian. Okay? And this used in Nritta Karnas and Natya Mandalas. Now, there are two classification of the charis. The one is the Bhumi charis, the other one is the Akasha charis. The Bhumi charis you have to do with the ground. That is, you should not lift your leg from the ground. And the Akasha charis, you have to do the movements with the help of the feet off the ground. That is above the ground. Now, this section, we are going to do only the Bhumi charis. The two charis are classified into 16 types. Okay? So these both are combined together forms and karnas. So this is the basic steps you learn to learn the karnas. If you learn this only, it will be easy to learn the karnas to understand also. Okay? Now we are going to see about in the workshop is only the Bhumi charis. Right? So the Bhumi charis are classified into, already I told you about 16 types. Now what are the 16 types? I'm going to describe here. Okay, Ma'am is Sitalakshmi Ma'am is here. Now I'm going to teach all of you one by one. So listen to me and Ma'am also will do together with me and you follow us. Now, ready all of you? Good children. Now we start the Bhumi charis. Now first the Bhumi chari is Samapada. What is that? What is that? What do you mean by Samam? Samam means you have to close your legs and you have to do a movement. Right? Now how you have to do the movement is keep your hands on your hip and close your legs together. Now I'll tell in rhythmic manner, right, the Bhumi charis. Now I'm going to start the first one. Samapada, Samapada. Ma'am, can you do and show to me, please? Ready? Start. Samapada, Samapada. That is, you have to do 3 times. Alternatively the legs, not in the one legs. Right? So see my legs. You have to keep like this. Samapada, Samapada. Now you understood? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to do, how many times you have to do? Alternatively, the 4 times. Right? No talking there, please. Ready? Hips on your right. I'll turn this side. You follow me. Ready? Start. Samapa da. Samapa da. Now you understood? All of you? Now shall we do it again? Ma'am? Ready? Start. Samapa da. Samapa da. Okay, now we'll go to the second one. The second one is known as Sitavartha. It's all in the Sanskrit words. It's all in the Sanskrit words. Yeah. The moment itself, you'll be seeing what is a different. Yeah, it's very looking beautiful. You will, after that, doing that, you can give the poses, postures and all. Right? So Sitavartha is, you have to keep your right leg. That is, keep it like this. Hands on your hip. Ready up? Ready? So do like this and bring your leg like this and cross like this and half a sit. Right? Now I'll use this side. For you this side is right side, isn't it? So I'll use this side. See here? Keep it like this. Ma'am, please. Okay? Then you have to drag your legs. Should not lift your legs. And keep it like this, and you have to sit in half, but the shoulder should be straight. Keep like this. Very good. Wow. Yeah, looking very good, all of you. Right, super. Again, you have to take the left one, left leg to the side. Yes. Keep your toes, not the heel. Keep your toes, right? And drag slowly. And bring it to the front and sit like half and like slightly bend like this. But shoulder should be straight. Right? So this is known as what? Yeah. Louder? Right. Now again we are going to do the Sitavartha. Now I'm going to tell in rhythm. Right? Ready? Start. Sitavartha. Sitavartha, Sitavartha, Sitavartha. Yes, take your position, all of you. Right, good. Now the third one. Third one is Shakatasha Tataivacha. What is that? Wow, everyone is explaining a wonderful Sanskrit words. I love you children. I love you students. Okay, now we are going to see the Shakatacha Tataivacha. Why I'm saying lovely students, miss, this is a difficult one. Okay, it's a difficult movement. So, I think you all will do, right? So, what you have to do is, you have to drag your right leg to the front. Now, do it like this. And bend your, ma'am, please. Bend your leg like this. Yes. Should not keep your knee on the ground. It should be lightly up. Yes. And look up, all of you. You have to sit. Right. You have to fully sit. Now see that girl. She's doing very good. Wow. Yes. And slightly look up. Please sit. You should not. Right. Good. Now come to the position, all of you. Come to the position. So this one is Shakatasha Tataivacha. Okay. So this one I'll tell only one time because it is a difficult movement. Right. Now do it. Ready? Start. Shakatacha Tataivacha. Super. Come on. Come to your positions. Wow. Now, next, we'll go to the next one. Right? What's the next one? The next one is Adhyatika. Right? Adhyatika, how you have to do is, it's an excellent movement. You have to drag your leg, right leg to the back, to the diagonal. And you have to bring the left leg to the closer. and you have to small, you have to bend, and you have to lightly slap, 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 only one slap. Right? Now, Sita ma'am, ready ma'am? Right, ready? Start. Adya tika, adya tika. Drag, drag. Adya tika, adya tika. Now, come to the position. Yes. Now I'm going to tell in rhythm. Are you ready now? Yes, right now. Ma'am, we'll start. Ready? Start. Adya tika, adya tika, adya tika, adya tika. Yes. Now come to the position, all of you. The next one is Shashya Gadi. What is that? Stand properly. You have to stand in Samam position. Yes. The Shashya Gadi you have to do. Keep your toes like this to the side lightly, the right leg, and do like the semicircle and bring your, ma'am, you also follow please, and bring your left leg and lift the toes and press. Okay? And bring your left leg to the side and bring your right, lift your toes and press. Now turn front, all of you. Shall we do now? Yes. Now I tell it in rhythm. Right. Ready? Start. Shashya Gati, Shashya Gati, Shashya Gati, Shashya Gati. Very good. No talking there, please. Turn the side. See the stage. Now, the next one. Vishyavaga Tatapara. Right? Vishyavaga. Now tell me again. Yes. So how you have to do is, sit in Aramandi, all of you. Yes. And lift your toes like this. 2 toes like this. And you have to lightly shake. Chick, 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 like that. Yeah, I want to hear your... What? Yeah, Salanga sound. Very good. Okay, keep it like this. Vishyavaga Tatapara. Now slightly you have to move to the right side. Vishyavaga Tatapara. In the place itself you have to turn. Vishyavaga Tatapara. Okay, now you understand? First you have to put Aramandi and you have to raise your toes and you have to do a slide. What? A movement, and you have to move to the right side and left side and to your round yourself. Right and left. Okay, enough children. Now look friend. Be in Samam. Take your position. Please. Yes. What is the next one? Now I'm going to explain you. After the wait. Stand in Samam, please. Should not talk there, right? Good. Good, Kuti. Very good. So the next one is Vishyavaga Tatapara after Edeka Kredita. What is that? What is that? It's like a folk step. It's like a folk step. So how you have to do is, ma'am, yes, ready? Ready? See here, you have to drag like this. 1, 2, then this side, 3, 4. That's all. Right? Shall we do now? See here? Easy. Folk step is this. Ready? Start. Yedaka Kredita. Yedaka Kredita. Now come to the position. Shall we do now? Yes. Ready? Start. Edaka Kredita. Yedaka Kredita. Right. Come to the position now. Now, next one is Bada. Next one is? Yes. Baka is a twist movement. What movement? Yes. So first you have to keep your toes like this to front of the left leg and twist your toes like this and lightly hip up, and you have to turn and you have to keep your leg like this. Right? Yes. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So shall we do it now? Ready? Start. Ba, da, ba, da. 4 times you have to do. Right? Now, next one. Utvrita. What is the next one? Yes. Utvrita means you have to keep your leg to the right side. I'll do this side, right? Keep your leg to the side and bring it to the back. Right? And turn. Twist yourself like this. And the shoulder should be like this. See here? Once again. I'll do it here. See, I'm keeping like this. I'm keeping like this. Then you have to turn like this. And you have to see front like this. Like this you have to keep. This is known as Utvrita. What is that? Now do it again, children. Shall I turn like this? Yes. Okay, fine. Now keep your leg like this. Please drag your legs to the side. And slowly, this side you have to face. Face, slowly turn like this. And come to the front. Come to the front like this. Like this you have to stand. Right? This is known as what? Utvrita. Okay, fine. So this is a difficult movement. So all did well. Utvrita. Now the next one. Okay. Now we'll go to the what? Now we'll go to the next one. What is the next one? Adita. What is that? Adita. Adita is very easy. Okay. So what you have to do is, you have to lift your right leg like this and tap on your another leg. That is Adita. Friend, Adita. Should not touch your salanga. Okay. Should not touch your salanga. You should not keep your leg on the salanga. Right? Do it again. Ready? Start. Adita. Adita. Next. Adita. Adita. Right. The next one is Ushvantita. Next one what? Now what you have to do is, you have to keep leg like this and do like this, please, to your side. That should be facing your side. And brush. Brush your leg like this. Again you have to put it out and brush the leg like this. This is known as what? Ushvantita. You will clean your place. Okay. This is known as Ushvantita. Right. Come to the position now. Now next one is Janita. Next one what? Janita. Janita is a horse-like step. Okay. So what you have to do is, you have to keep your right leg at the back. Right? And move to the right side slowly. Janita. Janita. Left side. Then right side. Janita. Janita. Okay? So this is known as what? Janita. The next one is the Janita. After you have to do a very easy movement. That is what? Saindita. You know western step? Like this they will do, no? Yes, like that you have to do now. Wait, I'll turn like this. Please come to your position, children, all of you. Now you have to take your right leg front. That is, drag it. Okay, and shoulder like this, and up, and come back. Right, and move to the left, and you have to, again you have to go, move to the front. First you have to take inside, and you have to take it to the out position. Okay, that is sine theta, up sine theta. Okay, now do again. Ready? Start. Sine theta, up sine theta. Right? Sine theta and up sine theta. Next one is, what is the next one is? Samasarita. What is that? Samasarita. Sama is, now you have to do, take your leg like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So slightly what you have to do is, do it again. 1, 2, 3, good. 4. Okay, children. Again you have to turn back. Turn back. Okay, now turn to the front, all of you. Superb. Now do it again. Yes, ready? Ready? Start. Sama, saritama, mata, li. Good. Move back. Yes. Now matali. Only the matali. Matali you have to do front and back. Now you did right leg, left leg like that before movement. Now you have to do both the sides. Now ready? Start. Ma, ta, that is front, and same leg you have to take it back. Okay? Ready? Start. Ma, ta, li. Again, you have to take your left side. Ma, ta, li. And come to the samam position. Okay? So these are the 16 types of what? Bhumi charis. Bhumi charis. Okay? Now first one I'll do it. I'll say it. And you have to do what? The movement you have to show to me. Right? Now say. Now do it all of you. Samapada. Samapada. Right? Sitavata. Sitavata. Next. Shakartacha. Tadaivacha. Now come to the position. Adya. Tika. Adya. Tika. Okay. Now next, the next one is Sha. Sha. Gati. Sha. Sha. Gati. Sha. Sha. Gati. Sha. Sha. Gati. Vishyavaga tata para. Vishyavaga tata para. Yedaka kredita. Yedaka kredita. Ba. Ta. Ba. Ta. Ba. Ta. Ba. Ta. U. Vritha. Then again left. Ud. Vritha. Turn. Very good. Now, Atiha. 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 Then Janita, Janita, Janita. Turn. Then other turn. Janita. Okay. The next one, Janita after. No. What is the next one? Sandita. Sandita, you have to come like this. Come and get up. Then again, this leg you have to come friend and do it like this. And again you have to go up. Upper Sandita. Okay? Sandita. Cha. Upper Sandita. Okay? Now next one is, you told her in that side, yeah, Samo Sarita Matali, right? Ready? Start. Samo Sarita Matali. Good. Next. Matali Cheri Chor Macha. Now left leg. Matali Cheri Chor Macha. Any doubt is there, children, here? No, yeah, perfect. All of you know the steps. All the movements. Okay, what is the first one? Very good. What is the second one? Third one? Shakatacha Tataivacha. The slokam is like that. But the Sakatacha is the right word. Right? Next one. Very good. Next one. Yes, fine now. Sixth one. Sixth one. No. Sixth one. Vishyavaga. Yes, right. Vishyavaga. Tata. Sara. Right. Next one. Seventh one. Edaka Kredita. What is that? Eighth one. Bada. Yes. Ninth one. Ninth one. Utvrta. What is that? Utvrta. Okay. 10th one. Attiha. I think all of you like that Attiha, isn't it? Because we are slapping to the next leg. Yes. Attita. Right. Very good. Next one. Janita. Janita is like what step? Horse step. Yes. Nice. After Janita. Before Janita, you have to tell one thing. You have left that. Yes. Ushvantitha. What is that? What is that? After Ushvantitha only Janita will come. Next one. No. Sanditha. Apasandita. What is that? Sandita. Apasandita. Next one. Yes. Samosarita Matali. Samosarita. The last one is? Very good. Last one is? Super students. The kuttis are all very good. Clap your hands, all of you. Wow. Can I ask the questions here? I'll say the movement word. You have to find out what you have to do in that. Right? Okay. So we will, okay, fine. We'll tell all in one by one now. All of you ready now? Continuously we have to do? Yes. Start, all of you. Bhumi Charis. Now I'm starting from first. You have to do all the 16 one. Ready? Start. Samapada. Samapada. Sitavata. Sitavata. Shakatacha Tataivacha Adya Tika Adya Tika Shasha Gati Shasha Gati Vishavaga Tatapara Vishavaga Tatapara Vishavaga Tatapara Yedaka Kredita Yedaka Kredita Bata Do Ba You have to stand do Ta Ba Ta. Okay, now Udva Pritha, right? Then Udva Tha. Yes. Next one. Atiha, 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 Atiha. Janita, Janita. Sandita cha apasandita. Right. Samo saritama matali matali sheri cho macha matal. Opposite you have to do. That is right. Then right. Then you have to use your left, then left. Okay, now do all of you. Ready? Start. Ma talli sheri cho macha ma talli sheri cho macha. Okay, the conclusion is now the Bharata, you have seen this, the Charis in the chapter of Sloka 8 to 13. Okay? And this is taken in Natya Shastra, the Bharata Muni. Where it has taken? From Natya Shastra book. It has, the author is Bharata Muni. This is revived by Dr. Padma Subramaniam from the book of Natya Shastra, Abhinaya Bharati, and the other one is Sangeeta Ratnakara. What is that? Sangeeta Ratnakara.
Final dance, please.
Now, final dance. Ready up? Ready? I'm going to tell you all the things. Ready? Start. Ready? Stand in your positions. I won't dance. You have to dance, all of you. Ma'am, ready? Ready? Start. Samapada. Samapada Sitavata 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 Shakatacha Tataivacha Adya Tika Adya Tika Adya Tika Adya Tika Shasha Gati Shasha Gati Shasha Gati Shasha Gati Vishavaga Tatapara Vishavaga Tatapara Vishavaga Tatapara Yedaka Kredita Yedaka Kredita Bata Bata. Then Uru Vrita Uru Vrita. Next Atiha Atiha Atita Atita Ushvandita Ushvandita cha Ushvandita Ushvandita cha Janita 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 Sandita cha apasandita samu saritama matali. Next, matali sheri cho. Left leg, matali sheri cho. Stand in samam. Stand up in samam. Good. Clap your hands, all of you. Super. Wow. In that hot sun also, you did very, very well, ma. I didn't accept. This all credits goes to your ma'am, Sitashi ma'am. Give her a big hand. Wow, wow, wow. Now you have understand about the Bhumicharis. No one will know the Bhumicharis, about this Bhumicharis, because it is a very, very important one. Okay. Now get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Then ready amma. Dalla kutakati kutakata dinginatto ta ka dimmi ta ka jonnu ta ka dimmi ta ka jonnu ta ka dimmi ta ka jonnu ta. Please sit down, of you.